it's gone. So if you have locks,
I have waited lifetimes to find you. Now that you're here, I can remind you.
hey y'all, it's your girl Kiki and this is KISSIMMEE and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Do not be afraid to subscribe because it's lit over here. Let's get into my updated wash routine. I'm pretty much going to show you, this is what I'll be doing. Going around my hair and kind of like separating to make sure I get rid of this junk in my hair. So I'm gonna do that. I'm actually gonna pull my hair up, start with the back, and then move my way forward. So it seems as though my back is really not as bad, but the front of my hair is more twisted. So we're gonna go through everything, but we will see. So none of the back was really affected, so let's move on to the front. So you can see some buildup there. You just want to pull it so that and make sure we can get all that out. And I'll come back whenever I'm about to head in the shower.
I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. Like to put that shit in your nose, but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you're a lady, but at home, if you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets when it's dark out and come home, blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No. 24 hours. Lately I've been thinking about us. About you as real as they come. But you would rather be on them drugs. I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck when you been draining me out. You know that, you know that well. When I throw that, I say hello. Hello, girl, I wanna meet ya. One second, fuck, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give a game proper. Spit it so she get it, then she if I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. It's up to go, I gotta go for mine. Cause I'm saying hello. Oh yeah. And I gotta be pissed that you got my attention. You're making me want to say hello. How I love to keep you here.
So we are fresh out of the shower, and we're about to unwrap. I think I've had this on for maybe like 5-10 minutes while I got dressed, well, got lotioned up and everything. So this is what we working with. This is wet hair. My hair smells like really fresh. It feels so clean on the root, and I am loving the results of my wash. So I showed y'all, I tried to show y'all in the shower, but I want to show y'all here as well. That buildup that we had is gone. So if you have locks, you best start separating your roots to ensure you are washing your hair thoroughly. For conditioner, I didn't condition in the shower because I'm going to use a spray leave-in conditioner. I have two. And also the shampoo that you saw me use, it is for color vibrant hair. So I'm trying to do my best this time around to try to keep my color, because you know I put the semi-permanent on top. As you can see, like, this is where the brightness is coming back in some of them, but it gives dimension, it gives flavor, it gives what it needs to give. But let me go get this spray leave-in conditioners and I'll be back. So these are the two spray conditioners I have, one from Mikael and the other one from Not Your Mother's. And this one, as you can see, has the red, and because orange is a hue of red, it has reds, browns to create this ginger look that I have. We're gonna use both of them. And this is the Oats and Honey Soothing Leave-In Conditioner by Maya, and this is the leave-in conditioner by Not Your Mother's Way to Grow. These are the bottles, if you care to see. Maybe I shouldn't have did that one that way. Okay, so that one's more of like it sprays and it has like a consistency, not thick at all, but I shouldn't have sprayed on my hair. So we're gonna rub this in. Like I said, it's pretty watery, watered base. So we're just gonna rub that in. Because you should definitely condition your locks. If you don't, please find something that is lightweight that you feel will not get trapped in your hair. Because it's still hair. Got my business. All right, y'all, so that is it for this wash day routine. You can see the updates of what I've done by watching my last wash video, which I pinned in the beginning, and I'll pin again here at the end. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And that is it for today's video.